Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Pakilala po kayo, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm May Maraviles, founder of Ride Now PH. So Ride Now is actually a transportation tech, is a tech transportation startup. Our first product is the Philippines' first smart school shuttle. So we did this because we noticed na ang pinakamalaking contributor of traffic, especially in our city, Zamboanga, our schools, especially our school, Ateneo de Zamboanga. So Ride Now PH was actually incubated and developed by Ateneo de Zamboanga with the help of DOST. So our first, like I said, our first product is the first smart school shuttle. So it's a school bus that integrates tech. Okay? So ang ginagawa niya, meron kaming app for parents at meron kaming, right now we have a school bus and we also have a card. So our passengers who are students would tap their cards in our system and it automatically notifies parents kung, for example, parating na ang bus. Okay? May 4 more notifications every day. First is kapag nakasakay na ng bus ang bata. Second, kapag nakarating na ng school ang bata. Third is kapag pauwi na ang bata. And lastly is when nakarating na ng bahay ang bata. So very convenient if you're a busy parent, okay? And it gives you peace of mind also because you know that your child is safe. You can actually track the transit of your child every day.
So, ang pinaka-technology niya, ma'am, parang ginagamit natin sa mga beep, gano'n?
Yes, parang ganun na siya. Okay, only for schools kasi wala pa tayong ganyan sa Philippines, okay? And even in Asia, although I was told meron na sa ibang bansa. Okay?
And then, yung card po is available to the students for free?
They
or
pay
may
for
subscription?
They pay for it only once, okay, in a school year. Right now, we're on a subscription basis.
O tapos i-loadan nila, ma'am, yun? Or what?
Inaano ng parents, nagbabayad ang parents every month. Okay?
And then, automatic na may load na yun?
May load na
or,
yun.
ano lang yun? For data lang yun para
Hindi po. It's right now kasi nai-integrate din doon ang fare.
Okay.
So it's a fare and then pero in Manila, for example, because we do not have the bus in Manila, we plan to partner with school bus operators at schools. Okay? So yun, okay? So they can use our tech, our app, okay, to do that. Tapos, yun na, okay? So, pwede namang yearly magbayad ang parents, okay? Sa schools, okay? It's just that sa aming pilot schools, Ateneo de Zamboanga, monthly ang ginawa namin because that's what we agreed with with the parents and also the school.
So, may monthly na...
May monthly, pwede din quarterly, pwede din yearly. Mas mura actually kung yearly siya ang subscription. Okay? So, yun po.
What if, halimbawa, na iwanan yung card or what?
Pwede naman pong we'll see kung pwede siya sa QR. Pero right now, we're using the NFC card kasi. So, yun.
Ano mga challenges na nangyari implementing this?
Implementing this, we were actually very fortunate na pumayag agad ang Ateneo de Zamboanga to adopt our system 3 months after incubation. So yon, our challenge right now is scaling. Okay, because we need to go out of Zamboanga. Wala kasing school bus culture ang Zamboanga and most parts of Mindanao, walang school buses. So we need to go to regions kung saan may existing school bus operators.
Nag-reach out na po kayo sa ibang school?
Yes, we have. Okay, we've actually also now. We've actually started with Manila na.
Which one, ma'am?
I can't say for now.
Hindi pa naka-finalize?
Hindi pa siya finalized, but it's in the works. Ayoko siyang i-jinx.
I-preempt.
Ayoko i-preempt din. Pero it's a huge school. So yun. And then another school pwede ko namang sabihin, another Ateneo school. It's a sister school in Mindanao. Ateneo de Davao is also interested. Okay,
nice.
So we hope to adopt more schools.
So moving forward, ano yung direction ng Ride Now?
So, moving forward, actually, schools is just phase 1, okay? Like I said, ang ano naman talaga ng right now is anything that's transport related, diba? So, after schools, we plan to go to industries, okay? So, kung merong companies, for example, BPOs, diba? We also plan to do that, okay? So, industries and then hopefully PUVs na in the future.
So, ito mostly mga mass transport.
Yes, mass transport.
Bus,
unlike
van.
unlike kasi other ride-hailing companies, naiiba ang ride because we believe in ride sharing. Hindi natin masasolve ang traffic problem kung individualize and customize ang rides from it.